St. Louis, Missouri, and is currently residing in Chicago, Illinois. He credits his father and uncle, both commercial airline pilots, for inspiring him to fly. Patrick's father also worked for McDonnell Douglas and the Gemini space program before being hired by Ozark Airlines. During much of his childhood, Patrick would fly with his father every chance he could, and when not flying, he helped his dad When Patrick was 5 years old, his father flew him to the EAA Air Venture fly-in at Oshkosh, where he met with and was inspired by Airshow legend Sean. They attended Oshkosh regularly every year after. Over the years, he and his father continued to fly, and Pat continued to log hours in every single plane he could get his hands on. He worked under an "I will wash your plane to fly it" policy. By the age of 12, Patrick knew he saving for his first plane and soloed a 1947 Cessna 140 and two high-performance experimental airplanes. He received his pilot's license at the age of 17 received his pilot's license at 17 years of age. Patrick flew their Cessna 140 by himself to the EAA convention in Oshkosh. Now, Patrick didn't have a car until he was 18 years old. He would give plane rides to his friends in trade for car rides. By the age of 18, he received his commercial and multi-engine ratings all in the same day, and months after becoming a flight and instrument flight instructor. At the age of 23, Pat received his A&P license with aviation maintenance and technology degree and was hired by Republic Airways 1 year later as a first officer. Patrick was upgraded to captain within 2 years on the Embraer 145 regional jet. In 2013, Patrick became a captain while working at the airline. Patrick enrolled in the Katina Academy of Aviation Safety, run by Sean borrowing airplanes while sacrificing to acquire the plane you see performing today. Soon after, Patrick transitioned his high-energy personality and developed his routine to perform air shows after purchasing this aircraft in 2008. He has been blessed to be mentored by many Airshow pilots within the industry, such as Glenn Coombs, Skip Stewart, Judy Clark, and Randy Dean Housen. For 5 years, Patrick continued to compete and work hard, placing top 10 in the national championship each and every time he attended. Patrick promotes the art of flight every chance he gets and strives to be the best entertainer and performer for past and future generations. He also loves mentoring many young and old who share his passion for aviation dreams. Flight represents a thrilling fusion of high-energy performance and innovation. They bring STEM-specific themes to air shows nationwide, enriching the experience for all. Meet Patrick personally after his air show performance. Now, Patrick would like to take the time to thank his sponsors and supporters: Salty Parachutes, Cato Propellers, Bristol Watch Company, Michelin Tires, The Aero Experience, Bull Bag USA, Aircraft Smoker Oil, Evolution MMA, Lift Aviation USA, Tiger Performance Products, Aircraft Foods and Specialty, the Texas Airmen Cameras, and you can find him on social Facebook.com/ExtremeFlight45, Twitter @ExtremeFlight45, and Now, the aircraft you are watching perform today is a modified Pitts S1Y named the Blue Demon. It is powered by a high compression 230 horsepower Lycoming IO360 engine, a custom carbon propeller, and a 4-1 exhaust by Sky Dynamics. This airplane weighs an incredibly light 850 pounds and is covered by fabric with most of the panels made of carbon fiber. This color scheme on the aircraft was completely customized by Patrick, comic book artist Jim Mesley, and Natalia McAlee, Patrick's wife. The chrome colors are provided by Vinyl Images and Design in St. Louis, Missouri. Now, Patrick and his wife mutually manage this airshow business and have gained much attention recently. They are highly innovative and unique. Now, Natalia will often cosplay as a favorite superhero. As we speak, up in the sky, Patrick McAlee series of snap rolls there in the airplane. Demonstrating the art of precision aerobatics here. 230 horsepower up front. And you can see he's using all 230 of them. That's for sure. Taxiing down in front. And you'll be seeing him fly too, Tom Richards. Back in 1947 by Curtis Smith. And no coming around from the right, Patrick McAlee coming back to the airplane. He wants to do a big shout out roll. You don't see a lot of them done these days. That is a very risky maneuver. It has been said that if you take an outside snap roll and you botch it, you can wind up in a flat spin. Not exactly the best scenario to be in. Fortunately, with a highly modified pit special such as the Blue Demon, getting out of that flat spin is pretty easy stuff. Now, somewhere along the line here, Patrick's going to bring this airplane around for a photo pass. Oh, he's got that thing cranking. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras and recording devices ready. Here he comes from the left, Patrick McAlee, the Blue Demon. And we call this the photo pass. Flying slide roll. Patrick's off the power, slipping the airplane in. I bet he's landing. Oh, definitely going to land. He's got this big runway sleek. And what does he do? He's going to use all of it. No, not really. An airplane this small on this bigger runway? Nah, he doesn't need all of it. But it does make landing a lot easier because you don't have to sit there and grab the brakes immediately. You can just let the airplane slow down by itself.